abaana bali mu 380 na kintu na bali banja bali olwaleero. So abaana bano tubatendeeke mwoyo gw'eggwanga empisa n'okukola kuba tubakuba nti kiriyo kina kyakwewaayo okolera nsi yo okusinza kubaka mu president bwe yatuwa nti basomese beego okwenda okusoma bamala okwega okwenda okusoma beege okukola kuba Omunnayuganda omulungi n'omukozi bino byokubaawo ng'osabiriza aye nga buli kimu Katonda yakituwa nekitugezaako okubatamu.
Oli kubona kibero kyetere wano ku isomero lya Bukole College mu kibuga ekye Bugiri amasomero gwagona ago mu district eno bambi gakunganire gano ku mukolo gw'ebyafaayo bambi nga batongoza oba okupasinga out abaana abasomi abamaze ibanga nga batendekebwa oba basomesebwa emisome egy'okwenda ensi yaibwe liwandiyese patriotism.
Guest of honor, I will be introducing every school to you as they pass in front of you, sir.
Nga buli mwaka entegeka enebaawo era abaana okuva amasomero ag'endawulo mu district y'e Bugiri bambi ba traininga patriotism oba okwenda ensi yaibwe then oluvannyuma baida ku isomero wane lya Bukole College bakola omukolo bambi ogwo kubatongola oba passing out oba okubabisa era nga noyakulaleero bambi wekibaire nga wenkobye abaana okuva amasomero nga 33 n'abaidye era nga bano baye batendekebwanga okwenda ensi yaibwe era nga akalombolombe kaba bano batandise kunkyo batandika okumakinga oba okutambula mu kibuga ekye Bugiri nga bakumba nga bandi bambi ebakulembera. Batuse kukwena luwerere batuka ku endifa kulya n'ebitundu ebindi abe Bugiri bababweineko nga abaana bakumba bandi eri bawerekeranga ngene mbadi kuba era nga abakulu abakulira entegeka eno kino bakikola okulaga abazire n'abantu ababuliddo bicho oba oliawo ebikolebwa mu ntegeka eno. Era oluvannyuma olw'okumba okutambula ekibuga ekye Bugiri kyona bambi abaana baidye bakunganira gano ku isomero ery'amaani isomero eikeire kasangwawo erya Bukole College emikolo gyatandika okujja maiso abakungu bambi babairewo okuva mu gavumenti eyawagati n'okuva mu district y'e Bugiri era nga tuwene kukote ku mulundi guno entegeka dino bambi likulembeirwa RDC ow'ekitundu kino omwami Paulo Makakanyala.
Of Bukole College, Bugiri. Bukole College for loving your country. Thank you for loving Uganda. Our guest of honor, all those ones are students of Bukole College.
Coordinator w'entegeka eno Gilbert Situma akobye nti ku mulundi guno obwidumbizi obaire bungi ino era yena abaire impress era yalaga eisano nti kuluno bagezizaako okubona nga ebyabyo nabyo bayenda okumanisa abaana ku ntegeka eno nti abaana babyega.
So they were taken through the introduction to patriotism studies, where they were also taken through the history of Uganda, the constitution, patriotic methods of work. And our guests of honor on this function have limited words, because what you observed here summarizes what I would communicate. So I wouldn't wait to make a formal report to your office after this. I want to pledge to the school patrons that this is the program growing up at the orientation. So after here, we think it's not the end of the program, but still we shall get back to schools and we continue with the school routine activities.
I want to talk to the student community that you pass through a lot of temptations, but there are things you should avoid and focus on studying. One, peer influence, issues of drugs, issues of alcohol, issues of prostitution. There are a lot of things. You need to stay away from them and focus on education.
Lean on each other, support one another, and together you will achieve remarkable feats.
Bugiri, we are here. Patriots, patriots, patriots. In the command, patriotism can be precisely defined as love for one's country, but you cannot claim to be loving your country if you don't love yourself. So you should begin by loving yourself, by loving your neighbor, by loving your teacher, by loving your parents, by loving the community members before you claim that you love your country. And if you're a student and you claim to be loving yourself, I know that this is senior 1 and senior 5. If you love yourself, if you claim you will not get pregnancy while you are still a student. You will not plan to your fellow student if you know, if you appreciate the value of patriotism, and if you really know that you love yourself. Patriotism also is a devotion and vigorous support for one's country. Patriotism also is a feeling of attachment to a country or nation or political community. You should have that feeling of attachment.
High school, Ebenezer High School, Star Ashes, Star Ashes, Skyland, Skyland, Star Ashes, Skyland, as one high school, as one high school, Navijingo Union, Boston College,